Hii watu ya magazeti mlikuwa mnasema niseme kitu na Kiswahili. Muko tayari? Akujira ate jarie na Githungu ka Githweri to ne moye ndoka mucie jaragia Gikuyu na nikio nderagia to ndi mu Gikuyu kuri andu magaragia kunyingirira ate mundu uyu atuikire deputy president aragio Gikuyu gutuika deputy president ate gutuika mu Gikuyu inde dia ciarirwo guku ndingikimwaria Githungu giake ndi mucie ona ndingiaria Gikuyu kwi kundu ndingigitwaru to ne make juri ari. I want to say the following. We are, as a country, very disturbed by the events of yesterday, the deaths that came out of the ill-planned demonstrations by Azimio, destruction of property, and interference with business. These Azimio people must know that elections are over. Elections were won and lost. They must move on. The truth of the matter is that William Ruto is the president of Kenya, and nothing can change that fact. Even if they collect 10 million signatures, where will they take those signatures to who? Matters elections are not decided by signatures. They are decided on the ballot. A specific date was set for that purpose, 9th of August 2022, and people signed, and that was the end of signatures until after 5 years. What they should be doing is preparing themselves for the next contest. And I want to say and tell the people of Kenya just to stay focused. We are not going to be bothered by the noise from the opposition because it cannot stop us from what we are doing. We have a plan. We have an MOU with the people of Kenya on tea, coffee, and milk reforms. We have given the Hustler Fund. We have given subsidized fertilizer, and we are grateful to God for giving us good rains. We are going to have a bumper harvest. Raila Odinga was somebody's project, and it failed miserably. Even those demonstrations, they have been planned and financed by the project owners. We want to ask them. They are saying that they can remove President William Ruto from office. They were unable to stop him from becoming president when they had power, the system, and the deep state. How do they intend to go about it when they are outside there in the wilderness? How can they stop him? So we want to tell the people of Kenya, there is no constitutional provision for anybody to collect signatures against a sitting president. They are just wasting their time. And we want to urge our president to stay focused, to continue doing the right thing, to continue on the journey for economic prosperity and the empowerment of our people. Siyo mumesikia sasa? Mutangaze hiyo kama mtataka. Kama hamtaki, turudi kwa Kikuyu.